Welcome to elementary school, where the learning spaces and facilities are designed to meet the learning styles and developmental needs of young children. Today, we'd like to invite you to a virtual tour of our elementary school from wherever you are in the world. Let's start the tour. For the first part of our virtual tour, we would like to show you our purpose-built classrooms, which are located in close proximity to common areas where students and teachers can work closely together. Our youngest learners can benefit from small class sizes and a friendly, caring environment. The Elementary Life-Centered Education Program is an extension of our robust Learning Resource Department. It provides additional support for students requiring adaptive skills, instruction, social communication skills, or modified academics. Students are offered an engaging and fun learning environment that includes a life skills curriculum and transition goals created in partnership with the families. If you're looking into an action-packed day at school, then you're going to enjoy our activity spaces. Collaborative areas, maker spaces, and sports facilities related to areas of study are integral to the school's design as well as our inquiry-based curriculum. These spaces were specifically designed to create opportunities for teacher-directed and child-directed activities. Need a break? Then our elementary school cafeteria and playground are welcome spaces for our younger learners to take a breather from their learning. Our warm and friendly cafeteria offers a wide variety of snacks and lunches for both students and adults. Next, we have the 345-seat Melawati Theater, akin to a black box-style studio space filled with retractable seating and loose seating for a further 300 people. ISKL's Performing Arts Center helps build beautiful worlds for our younger and aspiring actors, musicians, dancers, artists, and designers to flourish in. The elementary school administrative offices are home to the principal, assistant principal, conference room, and other administrative functions specific to our division. You can also use our large multipurpose rooms to host gatherings and meetings. At our counseling and nurses' offices, you will be able to find caring, professional, and confidential support when you need it. We provide the opportunities and spaces for you to reflect, grow, and heal. And that's the end of our virtual tour for elementary school. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.